Hey guys, thank you for your interest in joining my YouTube membership here at the Posh Academy. And I wanted to create this video to kind of help you understand exactly what to expect when you're inside the membership, not to mention the different levels of involvement. Okay, so let's start with the first level, which is level 1, and that is the channel supporter level. Now, this level is currently $2.99, and the good thing about this level is that you guys are vested in the channel, you like the content, you want to see me continue creating the content, right? And you're able to display your loyalty with your badges. Now, up here where you see these different circles are a lot of the different kind of badges that you earn once you join level 1. It kind of displays with your name when I'm going live or when you leave comments on any kind of video, whether they're old or a live broadcast, right? And this just kind of just expresses to anyone that's seeing that, hey, you are not just a regular YouTube viewer, you are actually subscribed to the channel, you are actually a member, and you're vested into the content. Now, you also are able to receive members only live chats. Now, what that means is sometimes I go live, right? And I don't want to leave the chat open to everyone, which is the general public, meaning all the comments that come through are only those that are a part of the membership. What happens is I'm allowed to have deeper conversations, right? And the broadcast itself does not get flooded with tons of comments because it's only strictly for those that's a part of the membership. So that's the perk of level 1. Now let's go over here to level 2. Now level 2 is the behind the scenes access, right? Now this is the behind the scenes footage that's exclusive to level 2. And you'll also get the perks of level 1. Now, the behind the scenes can be anything, right? It could be a draping class. It could be a private draping session. It could be when I'm going to shop for inventory. Whatever it is, that's exactly what you get, which is the behind the scenes footage of how I'm able to get, do all of this crazy stuff that I do, right? And then there is level 3. Now, level 3 is the exclusive live streams, right? Now, the exclusive live streams mean I'll do a specific training or I'll do a live stream or something that is only for you guys. Now, a lot of people get this confused because when they'll see me schedule a broadcast and it'll say exclusive only for members, and then they go to try and view it and they don't have access. Meaning, if you're not a part of level 3, you will not be able to be live with me while I'm broadcasting. So again, the whole purpose of that is to keep the unit small, keep the engagement small, make it more intimate, right? You're able to ask any question you possibly have and you'll get personal feedback, right? Or you'll get whatever strategy or tip that I have. So then it brings me to level 4. Level 4 is the $49.99 membership. Now, of course, every level, you'll get all of the perks of the level below it. So let's just say for level 4, you'll be able to get level 3, level 2, and level 1 perks, all just by being on level 4. And that on level 4, what you get is one tutorial. It'll be released every month, and it's normally a draping, some kind of draping of a backdrop, or it's some kind of tutorial that's relative to draping. I could be creating a floral garland. I could be creating a centerpiece. I could be, like I said, doing a step-by-step different kind of backdrop. It's something that's showing you in detail exactly how to create whatever the masterpiece that I'm showing you guys. Then that brings me to my last level, which is level 5. Now, level 5 is you'll get all the perks, everything I mentioned. Not only that, but you'll be able to view live a draping tutorial in action, right? Meaning you'll be able to see firsthand exactly how I'm creating the next tutorial. You'll be able to ask questions, you'll be able to get close-ups, and you'll be able to see me design in real time. Now, I hope that answers all you guys' questions about the different levels, and I hope you found the one that's perfect for you, and hope to see you guys in the inside. All you got to do is click the button below, which says join, and you'll have access. Bye, guys. Time. Now, I hope that answers all you guys' questions about the different levels, and I hope you found the one that's perfect for you, and hope to see you guys in the inside. All you got to do is click the button below, which says join, and you'll have access. Bye, guys.